As I was trying to leave work yesterday, I noticed that I had a flat tire. Not just any flat tire, it was flat as a pancake. In this video, I'll explain how I got through it, show you the tools that I used, and maybe it can help somebody else down the line. I park in a garage at work, so as soon as I figured out what it was, I slowly drove over to a security call box and an empty spot. Now, believe it or not, I have a little tire inflator thing in my car. I keep it there for the wintertime when you have to top up your tires. I've never used it on an actual flat tire though, so I was really surprised that it would bring the tire up from 0 to 22 psi. It's not really that strong. You plug it into the cigarette lighter of your car, but it did the job in about 15 minutes. This isn't a sponsored video or an affiliate ad or anything like that. I just wanted to show you what worked for me. If you're on the fence at all about buying something like this, do it. So once I got the tires up to 22 psi, I managed to make it to a gas station near work. The mechanic there said to inflate the tires to 30 psi and to drive carefully home. Now, the 30 psi held all the way until this morning when I was able to drive it to my local tire place. Turns out I picked up a giant industrial staple somewhere. In the end, that little $30 tire inflator really saved my bacon. Do I know how to change a tire? Yes. Have I done it before? Also yes. Did I want to do it on a Friday afternoon in a dress? No. So here's where audience participation comes in. I'm getting ready to take a road trip next month. I'm taking my parents up to Niagara Falls. I've got all of the basics, a little fire extinguisher, I have the tire inflator, I have jumper cables, and that little emergency car kit. That's got the road flares, the little reflective signs, all of the basics. What do you consider essential for a car kit? Drop me a line in the comments and let me know. I'd love to hear from you.